Hi, everybody. It's Jen Sheffer. In this training tutorial, we are going to look at how your students will join a Nearpod lesson from their iPads using the join code that you copy and paste into a Google Meet. So you can see here we are in a Google Meet. I am presenting a student iPad screen. And what the students will do is they'll be able to click on the chat and see the code for this lesson. So the active code for this lesson in this tutorial is the P84XK. So I'm going to type that in, and then I'm going to click on join, and then I will be brought to a screen that says welcome to this session. As the teacher, you can instruct students how you want them to put in their name. So I'm just going to put in Jen S. and then click join session. So, and then in a moment, the screen will appear. I'm going to go ahead and close the chat box. And now my teacher is going to be able to take me through this lesson in real time, where I will be able to interact with the various activities they have included, such as poll questions, open-ended questions, memory games, simulations, videos. All kinds of activities will be embedded into this Nearpod lesson that will keep me engaged and excited in my online learning. So that is a simple tutorial on how your students will join and how simple it is to join a Nearpod lesson from their iPads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.